Welcome to SAT-X. For SAT or Math Olympiad preparation, today we are going to solve a exponential equation which is 64 to the power 9 to the power 3x minus 2 equals to 4 to the power 27 to the power x. It's very important math. Let's start. Lots of way we can find the value of x, but we will try simple and step by step. This 64 we can write 2 to the power 6, right? 9 we can write 3 square. Similar, this 4 we can write 2 square, and 27 we can write 3 cube. Now these kinds of thing we will implement in here. First, this 64 2 to the power 6, then 9, it means 3 square. So here is 3x minus 2, right? Similar, 4 we can write 2 square, and then this 27 we can write 3 cube, and here is x. How? Look, we know a to the power b to the power c, we can write a to the power bc. Now here is 2 to the power 6, then 3 to the power 2 times 3 is a 6, so 6x minus 4. Similar, here is 2 to the power, and this one become what? 2 times 3 to the power 3x. Okay. Now this one 2 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 6x minus 4, and here is 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 3x. Okay. Now look, here base are same, so we can write like a to the power m equals to a to the power n. Once base are same, that time power will be equal. It means m equals to n. So same thing, base are same, 2 and 2, we can write power. Power means here 6 times 3 to the power 6x minus 4 equal, here 2 times 3 to the power 3x, right? Now here is 6, here is 2, we can divide both side by 2. So once we divide by 2, here and here, 2 and 2 divide, it will be 1, and 6 divide 2, it will be 3. So we can write in here 3 times 3 to the power 6x minus 4 equals to 3 to the power 3x. We can write in here, divide both side by what? 2. Okay. Now here is 3, power is nothing, it means 1. So once base are same, at the time once product, power will be add. So 3 1 plus 6x minus 4 equal 3 to the power 3x. Same thing, similar base, we can write 6x 1 minus 4 is a minus 3 equal 3x. Then 6x, this 3x become minus 3x equal, this minus 3 become plus 3, right? So 6x minus 3x, it will be 3x equal 3. Now we can divide both side by 3. So 3 and 3 out, 3 and 3 out, it means here is 1. 3 divide 3 is a 1. So we can say x equals to 1. Here we are dividing both side by 3. So our required answer is 1. A big math, very simple answer, which is Answer 1. If you understand everything, this is my success. I hope everything is clear. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section, and my request, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.